Good day! Today, I'm going to show you how to easily install Kali Linux in VMware Workstation. First, go to the vmware.com. Click on the Workstation player under the Anywhere Workspace tab. You can use Workstation player for free for non-commercial use. Then click the Download for Free button. Then after that, choose your operating system. In my case, I'm using Windows PC, so I'm going to download the first one. Then click the Install Workstation player. Now, we're going to download the pre-made Kali Linux image. Go to the kali.org. Click on the download button. Choose Virtual Machine Pre-Built Image. Now you can select either 64-bit or 32-bit version of Kali Linux. I'm going to download the 64-bit Kali Linux. After downloading the file, we need to extract the download pre-built image. After that, open the VMware and don't create a new virtual machine yet. The file that we just downloaded is already the virtual machine. So now, click the Open Virtual Machine and the folder that we just unzip. Select the AMD64 file and click Open. Then now, we have successfully added the Kali Linux. Click Play Virtual Machine button to run Kali Linux and wait for it. If you encounter this problem, there is some features just we need to enable and disable for us to run the Kali Linux. On your keyboard, press Windows then R. Type gpedit.msc. Now follow these steps. Go to the search and type CMD. Just copy this code. After that, search for a registry editor. Then follow these steps. Now, open the control panel, program and features, then turn window features on and off tab. Make sure the Hyper-V is unchecked. Lastly, go to the CMD again and copy this code. Then, restart. After restarting your computer, go and open the VMware again. Choose the Kali Linux and click the play button. From here, it will ask your username and password. The default for the username is Kali and the password is also Kali. And now, you can start exploring your Kali Linux on your Windows 10 OS. Thanks for watching!